Did I do this space bun thing right? Hey guys, what's up? It's Ash. Welcome back to another video on my channel. I tried doing space buns today. I don't think I did this right. Did I do this right? Tell me in the comments. I just wanted to look aesthetic. Like, I just wanted to look like all those other aesthetic girls. Forgive me, guys. But today I wanted to film a beauty routine. This is the routine that I usually follow for day and night. So let's get started. Let's go and yeah.
I know it's a cornball thing, but love is passion, obsession, someone you can't live without. I say, fall head over heels, find someone you can love like crazy and who'll love you the same way back. How do you find them? Well, forget your head and you listen to your heart.
Enjoy this video. If you did, give it 2 little thumbs up, comment, tell me I could do better, and if you haven't, subscribe to be a part of the awesome sauce at Big Kitty Army, because we are all like one big happy family. I'll see you guys next time, so always remember to stay bright, stay awesome, and stay beautiful, my big kitties. Bye.